Then mom, how did you like Wayanad? What's happening here? 3 fingers, he's holding 3 arrows. It will go so fast. Let's see where it hits. So, day 2 of Wayanad trip, second trip for me, first trip for him, and we are walking in the morning not knowing what to do. So where are we going? Just to experience this view. Zostel is too crowded, so we tried to stay away from Zostel. Then mom, how did you like Wayanad?
It's pretty awesome, but there's no expected fog.
Yeah.
So we're missing it.
I was told in November and December you will have fog and mist inside the dorm by one of the people there, but since the weather is very cranky,
It still feels like it's monsoon, not winter.
so due to that we don't have that fog what we wanted. So we're going in search of it, and we ended up here. Yeah, we got pretty much what we wanted, but we had to walk a little. About 10 minutes walk.
A little.
Little mom, this is okay. Manageable walk. So, I don't think you can see anything. Yes, I might be dark, but that is nice. So this is what we came for. Small photo shoot. I'll post the pics after this. How was it, mom? How was the view?
It was wonderful. So we finally got what we were looking for.
Yeah, out of great difficulty, we woke up early and then walked for a while. Now walking back is the task. Lazy boys. So Yatish posing as soon as he found this rock. And that's Chembra Peak as usual, covered in mist. Caesar is here. Caesar has also come to pose. He's come to give us company. Yeah, leeches are a trouble as usual during the monsoon and rainy seasons in hill stations. So I don't know how many I've gotten on. And these scooties are new. They weren't here before. These scooties are playing around here from yesterday. Come. So let's go get ready to leave for breakfast. Actually, pretty hungry now. So first blunder of the day, I forgot to format the card when we started off from Zostel and noticed it wasn't recording now. First we'll head for breakfast down to Mepudi. We'll have breakfast in the town and then we'll go visit Edakkal caves. As I said previously, Edakkal caves is closed on Mondays. Monday is a weekly off for Edakkal cave employees. Hey Prince! Hi, how are you? No using mobile phone while riding.
This is the ride.
Yes, this is a ride. So, second blunder of the day. First was not formatting the card. Second, both of us left our wallets in the dorm, packed, locked it in the cupboard, and we've come out with no money in our pockets. So we're headed back to Zostel. Lucky we realized this halfway, not after sitting for breakfast. He has a slight pain in his shoulder, so he can't wear my backpack. It's quite heavy. So we're about 16 minutes, you know what kilometer we are? We're 3 kilometers away, but we are riding through some interior route. I don't know. Google Mata has taken us through some short route. So we're close to Edakkal caves now. The mountain that you see, I think, will be. The caves are somewhere there. Somewhere there. I don't know where. So we have parking number as well. 10 rupees for a bike parking ticket, and we need to park at parking counter 5. Now how do I find out which is 5? And it's a steep climb. Parking number 5, 4 is on the left, 5 is on the right. So we have to park here, is what I believe. Let's park. Oh no! Blunder number 3. We forgot the helmet lock. Now we have to carry the helmet. Shit! Today is not a good day for us. It's empty, I believe. There are hardly any people here today. Since it's a weekday, that's the main reason why we travel during the weekdays. We have no idea how steep this climb is. Yatish is already gasping for breath. We need to maintain your fitness levels. The lady at the shop warned me. Drop your bag. You need to climb. I insisted to carry the bag and I'm suffering. Good thing was he asked me to carry a little for water, and we did it. But yes, plastics have to be in the dustbin like that. Okay, we have stairs here to help us.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
skin tag. You want to see the number of staircases here? Take a look at this. But they're putting a lot of effort to create the stairways. I have no idea how much more of this is left, but yes, I hope the end is worth it, worth all this effort put into climb up. We came from there, ended here, and we have to go all the way there and beyond. So now we go down into the cave. These are the ancient inscriptions available only when they discovered. So we reached the top, and there you see that opening. That's the entrance into this cave. The inscriptions were on that top there. It's time to head back. So this is the view from up here. Now this height, so you can see the height of the stairs. That height. Yatish went early to pose for a photo. That's why he's down there. And I'm still walking here. I'm naturally free that man. What's happening here? Explain now. So, this is one of the steps to curb plastic pollution. Right, Vada? Yeah. So what they do is, if you're carrying any water bottle with you, they will stick a sticker on top of it and charge you 20 rupees. So when you bring the water bottle back and show the sticker to them, they will refund that amount to you. So that states that you haven't gone and dumped the water bottle somewhere on top in that historical, monumental, what is that word? Archaeological site. Exactly. That's what happens. So this is Mingu. Ready, mom? Try it and let me know. I like it. Nice. Monkey Minister. Look at the plate we have. It's leaf from the coffee plant. I think so. Oh, pineapple. I don't know. Nice way of serving. Good mom. Ito, na? Yes. Finish? How is it? Good. So there are a lot of shops that sell spices, coffee. Coffee കുടിക്കില്ല coffee കുടിക്കില്ല വന്നില്ലേ കേടും അല്ല ഒന്നും മേടിക്കാൻ തലയിലല്ലേ ഒന്നും കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നില്ല. One, two, three, go. Mom, pull. Wow! What the hell is that? He didn't even aim. He just shot and it went straight to yellow. Oh my god, he is doing something. Is it even possible to hold 3 fingers? He is holding 3 arrows. It will go so fast. Let's see where it hits. Warre! All 3 hit the paper. This was the one. This is the yellow. What level of concentration? Okay. So Edakkal cave holidays are on all these days. Please avoid the truck. Tourists suffering with heart. Why truck? Trek. See that? Please replace it if someone from the Kerala government is watching this. Like that, Edakkal cave is done and dusted. Yatish somehow doesn't like boiled rice. I don't know why. What, mom?
Not possible.